clean lens, you know what I mean?
Today is a barbecue day. We barbecuing, cooking up food, Caribbean food. You know?
We got the rice and peas going right here. We got soup going over here. We got the short steak, and that's what it's called. Something like that. Short ribs.
It's going down. More people are coming later on when we finish cooking, so that's what we're doing today. Sunday. It's a beautiful day. Look at the hairstyle though. Looks nice, right? Yeah, I know, thank you. Got the barbecue going, cooking them short ribs. Jeez. Oh yeah. It's a beautiful day, man. Make sure you guys enjoy the weather outside. When outside is hot, take advantage of it. Enjoy it, yo. Because when it gets cold in Canada, it gets cold, man. Oh yeah. So the barbecue is looking good. So just look at that. Jeez. Don't watch that. It's cooking. It's cooking good. It's gonna taste good though. But there's still more to come though. So I'll be back.
So right now, the chicken is coming out the oven. Jeez. One. What have we got in here? Ooh. That's a jerk right there. But there's a fun fact about this. This is gonna go on the grill after. So first you do it in the oven, and to get that crispiness, you go on the grill.
Yeah, once again, another one.
Jeez.
So another set, 4 sets. It's 4 set now.
So yeah. And now we have the other one. Which one is this one?
It's gonna be the barbecue.
This one's the barbecue. So the barbecue is gonna go on the grill also. Yeah.
Yo, only if you guys can smell how good. Do not watch the ring light in the back. It's okay. Yo, the food, it just smells.
Turn it
Smells good.
I mean, who's barbecuing? Oh, I'll put it on.
You guys know who this is already. No explanations on the grill. You know what he does best?
The wind is fuck.
Now it's soup time. We got Devon in the kitchen throwing it down. He's making that Jamaican chicken soup his way, you know? So right now in the soup, everything here is going in the soup. We got pumpkin, we got everything. We got everything in there going in the soup. Yeah. Sorry. We got the okra, we got pumpkin, we got, you know, we got the corn, we got everything. Yeah, I'm just hungry right now. My mind's all over the place. So.
any barbecue sauce in there? I don't know. It was the bottle new or what?
Special barbecue sauce.
Okay, yeah. So we put some. Where's the? Put some more ketchup. Taking it on. Put it in, bro. Yeah, what is Sunday?
So right now I'm about to go cook some fried plantain. Some of that. Go over here.